Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Google Maps and signing in so your work syncs across devices. First, search or tap the location where you want to start, then long press to drop a pin. This anchors the route. Once done, tap the Directions button and choose your mode of travel. This determines the path algorithm used. Make sure to select the correct start, because the next steps build on that exact point and avoid retracing later. Next, add your destination and any waypoints by using Add Stop, or on desktop drag the blue route line to force specific roads. This gives you control over turns and scenic choices. Once a stop is added, reorder stops by dragging, because the sequence affects directions and travel time. If you need custom labels or multiple editable segments, export to My Maps or save the route, so you can annotate, change icons. To finish, save the route to your places or export to My Maps so it's reusable, then share or send to your phone for navigation. Once ready, start navigation and confirm the first few turns visually. This prevents surprises. If the route looks wrong, clear the app cache, reselect the pins, or recreate the waypoints to force recalculation. This fixes stale data or missnapped pins. Remember, small adjustments change overall directions, so tweak and recheck before you go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.